So hello there and welcome to Ívar's Fly Workshop. Welcome to my channel. Today we are tying a fly which I call JS or Jón Sigurðsson buzzer. I've seen a very similar pattern like this tied once in a video. That's like 20 years after Jón introduced this fly to me. And that video, they call it the #1 buzzer. The thread we are using, that's an Uni 80 black thread, and yeah, this fly is like, it's been around for at least 2 decades, and it's really effective pattern when it comes to Arctic char fishing. We are using an Ahrex FW 560. It's a traditional nymph hook, and we are using a number 12 size. So we'll start by attaching the thread to the shank of the hook, and keep in mind that this is a really simple pattern and you can tie this all the way down to 18-20. The best results here in Iceland I've got with this fly is on the hooks 12 and 14. The body of the fly is made out of this sparkling aurora yarn, which I found in, it's some of the grocery stores. Some of them have like stuff like that. It's not a fly tying yarn, but it's like an alternative material for using it, and it works very well. It's black, and you can get those shiny colors and variations of colors, different colors, even silver, blue, and copper and gold and stuff. So it's like it's a really handy material when it comes to fly tying, and you can make lots of flies out of one roll out of it, which is around $3 in cost. So we lock this down with our thread, and that is the body of the fly. Snip off the end. And as you see, we've improved our lighting in the video, and the lighting is important, of course. And the increased lighting and good quality gives us a better image. For the hackle of the fly, it's like a hackle, collar. I take usually 2 or 3, depends on the size of the fly, 3 for this size, Peacock hearls. And I stroke the fibers of the hearl backwards, so you're kind of making it like bulkier. And we attach that to the shank of the hook, and then we make the collar of the fly like that. This is, like I say, this is a really simple pattern, but this is as well, I tell you, this is a really effective pattern. And snip off the end. You can use those hearls for another fly like this. And I'm using those vineyard hearls. I don't know how many packages I have, but that's about it. This is the fly complete. Then we have to form the head of the fly, this tiny little head, and we'll do a whip finishing job on it right now, and do it a couple of times, and then we'll be securing the knot with something which is called Solarez bone try, but that's an UV resin, and it's a special resin for the head. It gives you a shiny, really strong shiny head without the stickiness that some of the UV products provide. Actually, the brush with the glass is fabulous. It's so thin you can reach to the narrowest spots, and it's just love this product. We give it like coat it 1 round, and that's about it. And we'll zap it with our light. There it is, bone cures It's called, I think, bone dry. I found it on eBay, so decided to order some. Then we'll zap it with our light for a few seconds. 10 seconds should be way more than enough. And you can see how the body of the fly reflects. It shines because the yarn is sparkling, and it's I would say a really simple fly. So I would just want to say, since the fly is ready, the JS buzzer, just want to say thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.